Yeah, leaving me, dripping out on me already.
Hey guys, welcome back to Danni TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Danielle. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe because y'all know we're about to go up. So today I'm doing a review on a black-owned luxury company by the name of Cise. They're known for the Protect Black Women and Protect Black People bags. This company has been around since 2010. It is a LA-based company and the founder name is Blake. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so it came in this big huge bag that has the logo on it and it says the logo. So inside we have the purse, y'all. I'm super excited. I seen these purses like a few months ago and I was like, I need to get one, but the colors that I wanted were sold out. So I was like, okay. And then I recently went back on there and looked and I got the green mini. So it came in this duster and the duster says Protect Black People. Super cute. Excuse my dog, y'all. He's so annoying. So here's the purse. Like, how cute? It's literally so cute and the message is everything. Protect Black People, okay? Because we got to get out here and support these black businesses, because if we not supporting them, who gonna support them, you know? So it has the Cise tag right here. Inside the bag, it came with a card that says, you know, thank you for your purchase, and it has their social media and everything on it. It also came with like a little booklet that tells you how to take care of your bags. So it tells you the quality and everything like that. This is a vegan leather purse. I like that on the bottom it has this on there, so it makes me feel more comfortable to put my purse actually on the table versus having it in my lap when I go out, because sometimes I do not be wanting to like hold my purse. So I like that it has these little silver knobs on the bottom. On the inside it also had this little cardboard in here so the purse could keep its shape when it was on its way to me. So it has the logo in here. Also it has a little zipper in here, and I feel like this is enough space for me anyway. I love mini bags. I don't really like big bags because I don't want to look like a bag lady. So this is the perfect size for me. It has the handles and everything else. This is a good, cute luxury bag. Like, I feel like every black girl needs this in her closet, because protect black people, like protect black women. You see the message. It also came with some straps, which I love me a good crossbody. So it came with the straps and it has this on the end right here. So you just go in and literally you can clip it on the inside with the silver little notches, because I love a good crossbody, and who doesn't like a crossbody? So for me, this is honestly, I'm trying to get it together, y'all, so I can show y'all. For me, this is honestly the perfect size. I ordered this, I want to say on Sunday, and today is Thursday, so it came to me super quick. I like that when I placed my order, so just have it like this, guys. I like that when I placed my order, the founder sent an email himself personally introducing himself and the mission and you know what his company is about. So I thought that that was super dope of him. Overall, I would rate this purse a 10. Like, it's a good little pop your stuff item. I feel like it's a great item to have for the spring, and I feel like it's a good item for the fall. So this is the sage color. It comes in pink, they have purple, they have black, they have tan. They literally have any color that you could think of. It's so funny, y'all, because this is New York Fashion Week, and they are actually at New York Fashion Week right now. They sell jogging pants, crew necks, and of course the bags, and they have bigger ones and then they have the mini ones. I wanted to get a crew neck, but literally it's all sold out. So I'm currently waiting on them to restock, and I signed up for their emails because, yeah, I need to be walking around making a statement for the people. As I told y'all before, I studied broadcast communications, and that was one of the reasons why I wanted to go into that field, to, like, you know, make statements. So yeah, I cannot wait to wear my bag and give me a little matching crew neck, and I would definitely recommend this company. You know, in my videos, when I show them stuff, I like to show y'all like an outfit and how I would wear it. So I'll be back and I'm going to show y'all how I would put together my outfit and how I would wear the purse.
Strength and guidance, all that Strength and guidance, all that Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend